Oh. So going back to the question,
Mm.
well, for me, I personally believe that there are no right? Formula when it comes to moving on in
Yes.
relationship, because moving on is not just a straight line.
Mm.
There's up and down, and I believe na kahit gaano pa kahirap or katagal or kaikli, pag na-hit ka nung taong minamahal mo, sobrang hirap para mag-move on.
Mm.
And since we have different experiences, different personal experience, meron tayong iba't ibang way on moving on. And but ako, um, inaalala ko lang na if kaya kong ibigay yung love na nabigay ko sa kanya, mas kaya pang ibigay yung love na mabibigay ko sa tamang tao na. And I'm that kind of persons na hopeless romantic ang tao. So, when I commit to relationship, 100%. And I do not believe to when loving someone, dapat magtira ka sa sarili mo. For me, when loving someone, binibigay 100%.
100%.
Because loving someone is not only about about loving or giving what you can, but giving your full potential, your full capabilities to them. Because even that person will hurt you. At least minahal mo siya. And I think I do not have the against to those people who believe in 50% of giving when it comes to relationship. Just my personal experience and principles. So I moved on by with my friends, remembering that there's people who's loving me unconditionally, my family, my friends, my pets, animals. And I think that if your relationship or mag-end man yung relationship na yon, I think that it is just a redirections for self-improvement, for growth, and ayun. So just look at the brighter side, but also do not invalidate your feelings.
Mhm.
Just let your emotions out, feel your pain, know that you've been hurt, and that's fine. And if you deny your feelings, I think yun yung magiging problem, not only to yourself but also to other people na you will love. And ayun.